Hey Spyder owners, I wanted to show you guys this really cool Spyder that we've been working on. It's the first Spyder that we actually completed this winter. So this one is getting ready to head back home. Thought I'd do a quick walk around to show you guys what this bike looks like with everything that we've installed. So we've installed the new dash flares. We've got the new trick flares on the side. We've got trick flares in red in the back. We've got Centromatic. We've got new tires. We also did alignments on this particular bike. And we've got our hypnotic grills. We've also got the trick fangs in sequential. We've got our cyber LEDs. We've got our spoiler LED, our driving spotlight. We've got our trick vents, removable trick vents. And we've got our fender lights in amber and red. So this bike looks super sharp. And we've got our afterburners. And we've got our license plate with the USA flag. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. That front looks really nice with the trick fangs and the cyber LED that goes across that front there. The trick fangs and the spoiler LED. You got your daytime running lights. And of course, you can't forget the side visibility here with the fender lights in amber and red. We've got the rear facing red. Got the amber trick flares. We've got the dash flares. Red side trick flares. Afterburners. And our USA flag with our Spyder plate. Let's go ahead and turn on the turn signals or the hazards. So we've got your dash flares here, which is super cool. So if you're sitting here riding, so if you're driving off to the side, you could see up and high your dash flares, trick flares, and your fender. You will not be missed from the side. That is super visible anywhere on the side. So your back of the A-arm before was red and now it is amber, so those are dual color. You got sequential fender lights, and the front was white daytime running light and it is now amber. You got dual color trick fangs. You got your cyber LED, spoiler LED, they stay in white. All right, guys, well, that is a wrap for another cool looking Spyder. Great looking color too. We don't see this one very often. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button for more videos to come. Take care now.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to bring you new content and innovative products.